Welcome to Young Learners Curriculum and the new flashcards for our new story. Bow, a curved tool used to shoot an arrow. They found Cupid's bow next to a tree. Arrow, a pointy stick you shoot with a bow. They followed the arrow to Cupid's house. Something worn around your wrist. I got a gold bracelet for my birthday. Cupid, a magical creature who spreads love. Cupid held on to the heart. Clue, a hint. I found a clue on the door. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to support us by giving us a like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.